Meet the garlic king of California. Ken Christopher is the third generation to run his family's garlic ranch in the town of Gilroy. Christopher Ranch is the United States' largest producer and processor of the pungent bulbs so essential to so many of the world's cuisines. It employs 1,000 workers who earn $15 an hour, good wages for agricultural and food processing work. Christopher took us to his cavernous warehouse just before harvest time.
We are currently standing in what will soon be the largest concentration of garlic on the North American continent. So when we start loading this room, which is starting this week, we're going to have about 50 million pounds in this space alone.
That's 22 million kilos. And any way you crush, slice, dice, or saute it, that's a lot of garlic. For decades, cheap Chinese garlic imports undercut domestic producers. Now, garlic growers are smelling the sweet scent of punitive tariffs.
Effective June 15th, the garlic tariff is now in effect at 25%, and that's impacting all inbound garlic. Now, we have an opportunity to expand acreage, grow more garlic than ever before, invest in new employees, new infrastructure.
For garlic growers here in California, the tariffs have been great news. But other farmers across the country complain they are the real victims of the China trade war. The vast corn, soybean, and hog farms of the U.S. heartland have watched prices plummet as China stopped buying in retaliation for the Trump administration's tariffs. To limit the economic and political damage, President Donald Trump promises a $16 billion handout to affected farmers. But even the garlic king admits a prolonged trade battle won't be good for the economy.
We understand that this trade war, it could stand to hurt a lot of Americans if it drags on for too long.
Economists and central bankers are watching with alarm as global trade flows slow, manufacturing shrinks, and confidence sags over Trump's trade war. And the longer it goes on, the economic outlook for workers, consumers, and yes, even garlic farmers will start to stink. Rob Reynolds, Al Jazeera, Gilroy, California.